Wild winds have brought down trees, power poles and cancelled flights in Wellington. A severe weather warning's in place and Met Service says gusts well over 100 kilometres an hour have been recorded in the city. Air New Zealand cancelled the majority of their flights into and out of the capital until mid-afternoon. Jetstar flights were still running to schedule, but passengers said the landing felt a bit bumpy. The council reported a number of fallen trees and damaged power lines in Tawa and Hataitai. A downed power pole in Karori also resulting in power outages around the city. Council's recommending the public only venture outside if they really need to. The weather warning's expected to lift at 6 p.m. Air New Zealand's putting on additional flights for disrupted travellers.